आपका क्या मतलब है?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
आगे से ध्यान रखना।
Keep in mind from now. Keep in mind from now.
बहुत देर हो गई है।
It's very late. It's very late.
अपने दांत साफ करो।
Clean your teeth. Clean your teeth.
यह कैसे काम करता है?
How does it work? How does it work? नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस पढ़ने से पहले इस वीडियो को कर दीजिए लाइक और चैनल को कर लीजिए सब्सक्राइब, क्योंकि बाद में आप वीडियो की भावनाओं में खो जाएंगे।
उसे अपने आप सीखना होगा।
He will have to learn himself. He will have to learn himself.
और कुछ है आपके पास?
Anything else do you have? Anything else do you have?
जुबान फिसल गई।
It was a slip of tongue. It was a slip of tongue.
मम्मी घर पर है।
Mom is at home. Mom is at home.
वो ठंड से कांप रहा था।
He was shivering with cold. He was shivering with cold.
मैं क्लास में सेकंड आता हूँ।
I stand second in class. I stand second in class.
मेरा मन हो रहा है कि मैं नहा लूं।
I am feeling like taking a bath. I am feeling like taking a bath.
इसमें मेरा कोई हाथ नहीं है।
I am not involved in this. I am not involved in this.
मैं रोज इंग्लिश सीखने की कोशिश करता हूँ।
I am trying to learn English every day. I am trying to learn English every day.
चार्ज को प्लग में लगा दो।
Plug the charge, please. Plug the charge, please.
काश मैं वहां होता।
I wish I were there. I wish I were there.
ऐसे में हम कहाँ जा सकते हैं?
Where can we go in this? Where can we go in this?
हमने आज बाहर डिनर किया।
We took the dinner outside today. We took the dinner outside today.
मैं आपको इंग्लिश पढ़ा रहा हूँ।
I am teaching you English. I am teaching you English.
मैं आपको हंसा रहा हूँ।
I am making you laugh. I am making you laugh.
अपने दोस्तों से बात करो।
Talk to your friends. Talk to your friends.
किसी दोस्त को मत छोड़ो।
Don't leave any friend. Don't leave any friend.
मेरे बारे में सोचो।
Think about me. Think about me.
मुझे तुम्हें कुछ बताने दो।
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
इस परेशानी का हल निकालो।
Find out the solution of this problem. Find out the solution of this problem.
मुझे देखने दो।
Let me see. Let me see.
कभी कभी घर आया करो।
Drop in home sometime. Drop in home sometime.
हमेशा समय के पाबंद रहो।
Always be punctual. Always be punctual.
अपनी कमीज के बटन बंद करो।
Button up your shirt. Button up your shirt.
कृपया दरवाजे की कुंडी लगा दो।
Kindly bolt the door. Kindly bolt the door.
उसे ढूंढने दो।
Let him find out. Let him find out.
उसे परेशान मत करो।
Don't bother him. Don't bother him.
अपनी कार यहाँ खड़ी मत करो।
Don't park your car here. Don't park your car here.
उसे ये मत करने दो।
Don't let him do this. Don't let him do this.
उस लड़की के साथ ठहरो।
Stay with that boy. Stay with that boy.
गरीबों की मदद करो.
Help the poor. Help the poor.
इस लड़की को यहाँ काम करने दो.
Let this girl work here. Let this girl work here.
सभी कपड़े इस्त्री कर दो.
Iron all clothes. Iron all clothes.
उन्हें जाने दो.
Let them go. Let them go.
थोड़ा पानी और मिल लो.
Add a little more water. Add a little more water.
समय देखो.
Look at the time. Look at the time.
यहाँ मत उतारो.
Don't get off here. Don't get off here.
क्या तुम्हारा भाई वहाँ था?
Was your brother there? Was your brother there?
कोई है क्या?
Is someone there? Is someone there?
तुम वहाँ क्यों छिप रहे हो?
Why are you hiding there? Why are you hiding there?
वहाँ कुछ नहीं था.
Nothing was there. Nothing was there.
उस शहर में एक पार्क था.
There was a park in that city. There was a park in that city.
क्या तुम्हारे पास पैसे नहीं हैं?
Do you not have money? Do you have not money?
मेरे पापा वहाँ रहते थे.
My dad lived there. My dad lived there.
वहाँ कोई नहीं होगा.
There will be no one. There will be no one.
इस तरह के कई फूल हैं.
There are so many such flowers. There are so many such flowers.
वहाँ देखने को कुछ नहीं है.
There is nothing to see. There is nothing to see.
खेलने के लिए लड़के नहीं हैं.
There were no boys to play. There were no boys to play.
उसके बटुए में पैसे नहीं हैं.
There is no money in his wallet. There is no money in his wallet.
जाने की जरूरत नहीं है.
There is no need to go. There is no need to go.
क्या तुम्हारे पास पेन है?
Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen?
उस कुएं में पानी नहीं था.
There was no water in that well. There was no water in that well.
उसकी जिंदगी में खुशी नहीं है.
There is no joy in his life. There is no joy in his life.
क्या वहाँ कुछ चल रहा है?
Is something going on there? Is something going on there?
प्यार जैसी कोई चीज नहीं होती.
There is no such thing as love. There is no such thing as love.
ऐसी कोई कहानी नहीं है.
There is no such story. There is no such story.
ऐसा कोई गांव नहीं है.
There is no such village. There is no such village. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Do not forget like and share it.